Okay.
Check and release.
Well, in there, you said do it twice.
Hey,
Now the empty.
I want you to empty it.
Oh,
Index.
Oh, mine's in.
Index.
You're right. It changed hands.
what did I do wrong? I was trying to.
Okay, if you're not still working on that, let's put the firearm down.
Oh, that button. Oh,
As far as racking the slide, let me see here. Try not to lock it open. I love the magazine which locks it open. So, racking the slide. If you're having a hard time racking the slide, you saw the way they recommended on the video. Here's the way I recommend. I recommend putting this arm firmly against you like this, holding the weapon. Can you see me? Holding the weapon. And I'm cheating because I've got a red dot on this one. And then I recommend you push with the other arm forward. Okay? So that you're not trying to use all your muscles in your upper body by using both hands. Okay? So concentrate on gripping with this one and pushing with the right one if you're right-handed. I used a term down here, if anybody caught me, I said muzzling. Okay? What do you suppose muzzling? If I tell you muzzled me, what do you suppose that means?
Pointed the gun.
You pointed the gun at me. That's what we refer to as muzzling. Okay? You all did a great job unloading the weapons. I assumed you would pop the magazines out by using the button. And then I assumed I'd probably have to take you through racking the slide. But I think people heard other people doing it down the line. And suddenly y'all were racking the slides. So you got it. It was great.